Hello, today we're going to talk about the Montecarlo method, the way to calculate probabilities using the Monte Carlo method. So with statistics. So first, what's the Monte Carlo method? What you do is you calculate the value of a lot of points and it will converge to the probability of that event to happen. So we're going to use an example. Given two values between the range of 0 and 1, we're going to check if we are in a circle inside that square. The probability that one of the point inside the square is inside the circle is pi on 4. So I made a script that does that. At first we import few modules, so random for randomness, matplotlib for drawing plots, and math for math. So at first I made a function named createPoints. What it does is it with the function rd.random, it takes um, a real between 0 and 1, well, technically a float between 0 and 1, and it counts if it's inside the circle. So if the coordinate on x squared plus the coordinate on y squared is um, inferior to 1, so if so, the color is set to red and the color is set to blue. Then in the main function we draw the point cloud with the coordinates x and y given by our function createPoints, which gives us this picture. And then we calculate the probability of that to happen multiplied by 4. Math tells us that the probability of this to happen is pi on 4, so by multiplying by 4 we get a to be around pi, because j on n is about pi on 4. Because j on n is j, the probability, the points that are in the circle, and n the total amount of points calculated, so j plus the number of points that are not in the circle. And this gives us a result that is more or less close to pi, but we have to loop this to know exactly how it converges. So I used this test function, and basically I'm looping the main function and testing for different powers of 10, which gives us this result, and we can clearly see that at first it converges to pi, but then it doesn't really converges. This is due to the fact that it uses randomness. So randomness is good for starting approach, um, and then when infinite, then we don't get much precision and it's pretty much done. So what the Monte Carlo method do is give us an approach of pi, well, technically pi on 4, but we multiply it by 4. So yeah, thanks for watching.